Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing composition of function problem number 1. Welcome back friends. Now we are starting with composition of function problem number 1. A problem is given in front of you, a very simple problem. Here given let A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D. 4 sets are there and they are all real numbers. So there are 4 sets of real numbers. F is a function from A to B, G is a function from B to C, H is a function from C to D, and it is defined as, we need to find these particular things. So let us start with the first question, G of F of minus 2. First of all, let me tell you the trick. You're going to start from this side. You're going to start from this side, ignore brackets and O. This brackets and O all ignore. Bracket, O all ignore. Start from this particular side. First of all, you're going to find it out F of minus 2. So what is F of A? F of A is A plus 1. If you want F of minus 2, in place of A, if you put minus 2, so this will be minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So that is G of minus 1. G of minus 1. That means in place of B, I am going to put minus 1. So this will be minus 1 square plus 2. That is 3. Done with the first problem. Let us start with the next problem. F of G of minus 2. So first of all, G of minus 2, we are going to find it out. In place of B, minus 2. So that is minus 2 square plus 4. G of minus 2. So that is 4 plus 4 is 8. So we need to find it out F of 8. F of 8. So in place of A we have 8. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. Let us start with the next example number 3. G of F of A. Here it is F of A. That means in place of A we are going to keep A only. So F of A is A plus 1. So in short, it will be G of A plus 1 because F of A is A plus 1 only. Next is G of B. So in place of B, now I'm going to put A plus 1. So this will become A plus 1. In place of B, A plus 1. So A plus 1 the whole square. This plus 2 will remain as it is. Next, number 4. Now if you observe number 4 and number 5, see here. As I told you, this brackets and O doesn't matter. So if you see the order, first of all F of 3 will be evaluated, then H and then G. Here also the same order, F, H and G. So in short, both the problems are same and both will give you the same result. The brackets O doesn't matter. So let us evaluate first G of H of F of 3. First of all, F of 3 will be evaluated. In place of A, we're going to put 3. So that will become 4. So that is G of H of 4. We found out F of 3. So that result is 4. We need to find out H of 4. So see the way I am writing. H of 4. So in place of C, we're going to put 4. So that will become 28 minus 2 is 26. So we need to find G of 26. So G of 26. So that is 26 square plus 2. If you simplify 26 square plus 2, the answer will be 678. And in the problem number 5, we're going to get the same results that I'm solving for you. Because as discussed, this bracket and O doesn't matter. We're going to see from this particular side. From this side, this is 3FHG. 3FHG. So the result will obviously be same. First of all, we'll find F of 3. And F of 3 is a 4. We're going to find H of 4, that is 26, and finally G of 26, that is 678. So that is the required result of this particular problem. This is very simple type. In the next video, we'll discuss one more example and it will be very clear. Hope you understood. Thank you.